Hi, today in front of me Vivo Y35 and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. So first let's open Gmail application and then tap on the right upper corner. We'll log in now here into accounts at the same time, and just to log out from one from these accounts in Gmail app, we should log out from Google account on our device. And to do that, we should click manage accounts on this device, select one from these accounts and tap to remove account. Then confirm your action by clicking to remove account again. And now we just stay here only with one Google account, so let's go back to the Gmail app, and we can see that in Gmail application we also stay only with one Google account. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.